guys. Hope you guys are good. Just knocked off from work. I'm going to my friend's place. They have a funeral, so I'm just going there for night prayer. I'm just gonna take off my pants and wear a skirt and boots. I'm not gonna take off what I'm wearing at the top, so I just wanna keep warm. It's so cold, guys. It's very cold. Guys, I've just realized that I don't have skirts, so I'm just gonna take this dress and make it a skirt. I don't have maxi skirt, so I just want to look decent. Okay. Hello guys, this is me a while later, same day of the funeral. Just decided that I'm gonna do my laundry. And one thing about winter laundry, it takes a very long time to dry, and our washing machine is not working, so at least I have 2 days to dry my laundry. Ooh, guys, there's been a lot of sun exposure and my eyes hurt, and I still have to do my laundry in the sun, but it has to be done. Guys, it's literally 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm literally chasing the sun. Sun is out and very strong, and I just have to use my time to make sure that I do this laundry as quick as I possibly can, because the sun is on my side. Good morning, guys. This is the next day and most of my laundry didn't dry yesterday. I took it off I think around 6. It was already dark, and now I'm gonna put all the laundry that didn't dry back in the line.
Stick is sweet, like making love on the dance floor, baby, baby. Waiting for you to adore.
Hi guys, I have been cooking. I cooked for the longest time, but finally I'm done. I've put my second last dumpling dish and I've already dished out from the first bowl. Woo. Yeah, as I was saying, I made 3 bowls out of this dough and I'm waiting for my second last dish. I've already dished for everyone from the first one, so we're good, we sorted. I'm just waiting for this dough to finish. Otherwise guys, I'm wrapping up this vlog. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and please don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, share, and let me know what you thought about this video. My nails are overdue guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye.